Imagine finishing a meeting, unzipping your lunch setup, and dining with ease. Anywhere. Fold Eat transforms instantly from a slim pack into a full eating mat, offering a clean table at the office, the park, or even an impromptu dinner date. No clumsy setups, just pull the zipper and you're ready. Fold Eat's compact design adapts to your day. 1 or 2 containers for light days, 3 for gym sessions, or 4 for a full day's worth of meals. Carry it or leave it packed. It's flexible by design. Breaking away from traditional RC flight, the FW450LV3 emerges as a bold step forward for modern helicopter enthusiasts. Built to balance cutting-edge tech with beginner-friendly features, this 6-channel beast brings auto-aerobatic flight into reach for flyers at every skill level. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, a solid carbon fiber frame, and a flybarless system, it guarantees both durability and responsiveness in midair. Introducing an innovative leap in tennis technology, the amzn.to tennis robot brings a new level of realism to training. With 4K vision paired with bi-cameras, this cutting-edge system delivers precise, human-like ground strokes for an unmatched experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its versatility shines with serve and rally modes that allow for tailored practice sessions designed to improve both technique and endurance. Stargazing just met its next evolution. Whether you're on a rooftop in the city or camping under open skies, Hestia transforms your smartphone into a powerful astrophotography tool. No bulky equipment or rocket science required. Designed with precision and elegance, Hestia reshapes everything you thought a telescope could be. Compact as a 6x9-inch book and featherlight at under 2 pounds, it slips into your bag with ease, ready for adventure whenever you are. Tread redefines portable pizza ovens, offering unmatched mobility and performance. This ultra-rugged, lightweight oven is designed to deliver high-temperature cooking anywhere, whether you're at a campsite, tailgate, or remote destination. With its adventure-ready insulation, Tread ensures that every pizza comes out perfectly cooked, even in challenging environments. The oven pairs effortlessly with the Venture Stand, allowing you to set up an outdoor kitchen wherever your adventures take you. When you're on the move and demand purity with precision, this bottle responds with innovation. Crafted for the forward thinker, it combines intelligent hydration tracking with advanced filtration and self-cleaning power, all housed in a sleek stainless steel body. The built-in essential filter eliminates chlorine, PFAS, and other unwanted elements, leaving you with crisp, clean-tasting water wherever you are. The bottle practically cleans itself so you don't have to. Designed from double-wall, vacuum-insulated 1880 stainless steel, your drink stays ice cold for a full 24 hours, no matter the heat outside. When storms take the grid offline or adventure calls far from civilization, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus stands ready to meet serious power demands with resilience and speed. Designed for those who demand efficiency, this power station delivers 5 ultra-fast charging options. Plug into a 1,500-watt AC outlet and charge to 80% in just 40 minutes. Solar charging hits 80% in an hour, fully charges in 70 minutes. Sunset cookouts, lakeside mornings, or tailgate feasts. Wherever you're headed, the amzn.to Essential turns any setting into a gourmet grilling station. Fitted with a vivid 5-inch LCD screen and Wi-Fi remote control, this compact powerhouse keeps you in command, even from across the yard. Smart grilling just got easier, offering real-time updates on temp and performance in the palm of your hand. With 271 square inches of cooking space, it's built for mobility without sacrificing capacity. The M1 caliber measuring tool for miter saws streamlines the process of cutting, offering a precise and efficient solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative tool eliminates the need for measuring and marking materials before cutting, saving valuable time on the job. By providing accurate measurements, it allows users to make quick adjustments without compromising safety. The Framer Creator Micro 2 is the ultimate tool designed to elevate your creative workflow with precision and flexibility. Wireless and lightweight, it blends a tactile interface with the efficiency of customizable shortcuts to give you full control of your digital workspace. Each move you make with the joystick activates a radial menu that's fully customizable, placing essential tools just a thumb's reach away. The 45 keycaps, including the Framer icon keyset, let you build muscle memory for faster actions. Sturdy and compact, this pocket shooter punches well above its weight when it comes to clarity and control. Armed with a crisp 50-megapixel lens, it delivers sharp photos and clear video, performing confidently in both daylight and soft indoor lighting. The second camera brings up to 15 times digital zoom into the mix, letting you capture distant subjects with surprising detail. It's not just about image quality, this device is intuitive. Swipe through a streamlined interface or use its clever gesture controls for effortless snapping. Clutter doesn't stand a chance when the Brother P-Touch PTD220 enters the scene. Built for those who value structure without sacrificing style, this compact label maker brings smart organization to any home, small office, or workspace. Whether you're sorting file folders, cables, pantry shelves, or storage bins, the PTD220 provides a sleek and practical solution. The mChaos wearable power bank stands out as an ideal travel companion, designed to keep your devices powered up while on the move. Equipped with a built-in Type-C retractable cable, this compact power bank ensures convenience and efficiency, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just out for the day, it provides an uninterrupted charging experience for your iPhone 15 and other devices. From early morning runs to weekend hikes, the Haki Mix V blends cutting-edge tech with practical wearability. More than just a smart visor, this device redefines hands-free audio on the move. Its bold tie-dye pattern and sleek emblem project confidence without sacrificing utility. While the packaging, a refined blue box, underscores its premium quality. Quick charge technology delivers up to 75 minutes of playback from just 10 minutes plugged in. When fully charged, you're equipped with up to 8 hours of talk time or continuous music. The AOHi USB 4 2.0 8-in-1 cable set is a comprehensive solution for those seeking high-speed connectivity and fast charging in one reliable package. This versatile cable supports Thunderbolt 4, delivering data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, ensuring that large files and media move effortlessly between devices. Whether you're working on a MacBook Pro, iPad, or Galaxy, the 240-watt PD 3.1 USB-C fast charging feature ensures devices charge quickly and efficiently. The Sony wireless portable speaker ULT Field 3 combines rugged durability with powerful audio performance, designed to withstand the elements while delivering impressive sound. Whether you're at the beach, hiking, or camping, this Bluetooth speaker's IP67 rating ensures full protection against water, dust, and rust. The shock-proof design guarantees reliable use even in the toughest conditions, offering peace of mind while you enjoy your favorite tunes. When conversations matter, precision tools make the difference. The Oliap Archer Meeting headset is designed for professionals who need reliable clarity, seamless transcription, and effortless summary, all in real time. Backed by a patented 50-decibel environmental noise cancellation system, it isolates your voice in noisy environments, ensuring your words come through crisp and clear. Comfort isn't an afterthought, it's engineered into the design. On late-night walks, early hikes, or roadside repairs, the right tool makes the difference. Built to perform in varied conditions, the Scout Light Blinko delivers a seamless blend of function and convenience without the excess. This multi-scenario light adapts to your environment, whether clipped to a backpack, magnetically mounted to metal, or worn hands-free on your jacket or cap. Weighing under 2 ounces and measuring just under 2 inches long, it's compact and versatile, made for those who value space and simplicity. Stand out day or night with the Jetson Pixel Hoverboard, an illuminated ride that blends bold aesthetics with smooth functionality. From the moment it's powered on, the Pixel commands attention. Its clear outer shell reveals a network of internal circuits and components, turning every ride into a rolling light show. Dual LED light zones, embedded beneath the translucent body and inside the 6.5-inch wheels, glow with brilliant shifting colors. Tailored for gamers who demand control, endurance, and adaptability on the go, this all-in-one gear system brings professional-level functionality to your handheld experience. Built with a modular battery that extends playtime without adding bulk, it ensures your session doesn't end when things heat up. Interchangeable grips adapt to your hand size and playstyle, locking in comfort during extended hours. The detachable Joy-Con case lets you shift from handheld to docked mode in seconds. No tools, no hassle. The TieSpanner 2.0 Mini Multi-Tool Wrench offers versatile functionality, merging convenience with precision. Crafted from durable titanium, it is designed to handle daily tasks while remaining compact enough to carry anywhere. The TieSpanner 2.0 serves as a practical solution for those in need of a multifunctional tool, featuring a bottle opener, wrench, and various useful points for tightening or loosening bolts. Immerse yourself in visual clarity with the Goovies art, where sharpness, color, and comfort intersect. Designed for seamless integration into everyday life, Goovies art delivers panoramic peripheral vision and stays unaffected by changes in ambient lighting. You remain aware of your surroundings, even as you dive into immersive content. Weighing just 3.9 ounces, Goovies art ensures long-lasting comfort with no extra strain on your neck or forehead. Forget the noisy gas generators or lugging melting bags of ice to your campsite. The FlexTail Evo Icer is engineered for serious outdoor performance, bringing reliable ice-making power wherever your next adventure takes you. Equipped with a robust 200 watt-hour internal battery, this compact unit can churn out 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, thanks to its advanced IceBurst X rapid refrigeration technique. Transform your space with the amzn S1 2-in-1 floor lamp, a powerful lighting solution designed to enhance both style and function. Standing at an impressive height of 70 inches, this versatile lamp offers two distinct lighting options. The 3000 lumens LED Torchiere lamp delivers bright, consistent illumination, perfect for illuminating large areas such as living rooms or bedrooms. Meanwhile, the RGB corner lamp adds a unique touch, creating vibrant lighting effects that are ideal for game rooms or spaces where you want to introduce an energetic atmosphere. Dominate the mobile gaming arena with the power and precision of a full console setup in the palm of your hands. The GameSir G8 Galileo redefines mobile play, delivering elite performance through a direct Type-C connection, ensuring lag-free responsiveness for both Android and iPhone 16 series. Its plug-and-play design eliminates setup delays, letting you jump straight into action with zero interference. This controller is engineered with Hall-effect joysticks and analog triggers, offering enhanced accuracy, no drift, and smoother in-game control. The Insta360 X5 is an advanced 360-degree action camera designed for high-performance shooting in extreme conditions. Engineered for durability, it features an 8K resolution, offering stunning clarity and vibrant detail in every shot. Whether capturing action-packed scenes or scenic landscapes, its waterproof design ensures reliability in wet environments, making it perfect for water sports or outdoor adventures. Equipped with a rugged, replaceable lens, the Insta360 X5 provides added protection and flexibility for users. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. The LilyGo T-Keyboard S3 is a versatile and compact development board that brings an impressive array of features tailored for developers and enthusiasts. With 4 magnetic connectors featuring quick connects, it ensures seamless connectivity and easy integration with various modules. This flexibility is enhanced by 5 screens, with the option to replace the 5th screen position with a rotary encoder for expanded control. Health technology takes a bold step forward with a device that doesn't just track, it transforms. The Ringcon Gen 2 Smart Ring is more than a fitness tracker. It's a health companion built on precision, comfort, and innovation. Engineered in collaboration with top universities and hospitals, it offers advanced sleep apnea detection using AI. Real-time AHI readings help you understand your sleep health without bulky gear or wires. Sleek surfaces deserve better than smudges. Jiffy's step up as precision cleaners, small but powerful pads designed to banish fingerprints, oily streaks, and smears from the places you touch most. Whether it's a stainless steel fridge, a foggy bathroom mirror, your smartphone screen, or glasses, Jiffy's handle the job without scratching or leaving residue. Breathe new purpose into outdated iPads with iFrameX, a seamless way to transform idle tech into useful home displays. Whether it's showcasing cherished memories, tracking local weather, or serving as a sleek digital clock, iFrameX unlocks practical value from old devices while cutting down on unnecessary e-waste. iFrameX combines an intuitive app with a custom charging module so your iPad stays powered around the clock without cluttered cables. Face AI is a breakthrough in AI-driven communication, designed to transform the way you interact with technology. This sophisticated holographic assistant goes beyond simple virtual assistants, offering a seamless, multidimensional interface that combines advanced AI with lifelike projection technology. With FaceAL, productivity skyrockets as it integrates smoothly into everyday tasks, whether you're working, studying, or managing personal projects. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the Olight OStation X steps in, built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether. The OStation X doesn't just power up your batteries, it smartly handles them from start to finish with a seamless process. Analyze, charge, sort, and store. Thanks to its integrated superchip, it recognizes battery size, type, polarity, and health. The Kindle Scribe offers a seamless combination of digital reading and note-taking in one device, designed for those who seek a streamlined, efficient experience. With its redesigned flush front display and uniform white borders, this 10.2-inch tablet elevates both reading and writing tasks, providing a clear and smooth surface for extensive notes.